This is Pawnshop Passage in Louth in the rain. So it's quite deserted. So I'll show you some of the interesting properties. That one there was, you see, originally 1823. Nice cafe bar. The entrance to Boys. Interesting gable end. Obviously there was something else there previously. Higgledy-piggledy roofs. Now flats, which would have been houses years ago. Lovely old lantern there. And there's the passage. Some gnarled old timbers there in the actual passage. See that halfway up the brickwork. Proper timber frame. And there we have it. Pawnshop Passage in Louth. Leading out to almost daylight, if it wasn't throwing it down with rain.